In critical environments where hygiene is paramount, traditional flooring solutions fall short. That's why forward-thinking industries turn to Y.H.F, China's premier ESD vinyl flooring manufacturer, and our groundbreaking ESD static control flooring, engineered with integrated antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal technology. Y.H.F's static dissipative flooring systems feature advanced antimicrobial protection that continuously works to neutralize harmful bacteria that contribute to odors and contaminations, suppress viruses that pose risks to personnel safety, inhibit fungal growth that impacts indoor air quality. This is more than just flooring, it's a proactive hygiene solution. Our seamless, joint-free surfaces eliminate areas where microbes typically accumulate, while the specialized surface treatment strengthens hygienic performance without affecting conductivity. From operating rooms to semiconductor cleanrooms, Y.H.F's anti-static vinyl floors offer reliable, 24/7 microbial resistance and static control, delivering protection where it matters most. Y.H.F, where advanced flooring meets intelligent protection.